petit pouvoir de barre.
Hello.
Are you yours?
Don't say that. Who knows? Your dad might watch it.
Nah.
Right, good morning. It's day 2 in Bucharest, and today we're going to be exploring the city. There's few places we wanted to go about, but we have no particular destination in place. We just thought, let's see where our feet takes us. And number 2 is we're going to see some recommended restaurants in Bucharest. We wanted to try traditional Romanian food. So my wife's friend, she recommended a few dishes to try out, so we'll probably be seeing that as well. Nice sunny day here in Bucharest. Beautiful. Like here. This looks like it has something spicy in it. We bought 2 pastries just because we were hungry. One's cheese and some sweet apparently, and one is meat and cheese. So we're going to try it out.
Ilko pichinu, ilko chikitukuru, kihal he, namaste kilko koche kopere kokone, chiri pendi korko peti, puar de bare korko pare.
Chede cha, moda gando hui.
Random NPC encounter. This has some meat and some cheese in it. Looks good. थोड़ा पण मग ऑडिओ गायंदी रे व्हिडिओ सगळे मी betul ya nih, coba.
माहौल से रिक्वेस्ट कहा क्या था?
Here.
Pigeon restaurant.
Ah, nice.
Very nice.
Yeah. This is another place that we saw on the tour list that you have to check out. This looks really nice. I don't know what the place is called, but if I found out, I'll link it down in the description. Now on the hunt for some traditional Romanian food. So forgot the dish name again. It's cabbage and meat wrapped in cabbage and then boiled.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So this is one of the recommended restaurants to come try.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Hi, table for two? Yes, thank you. So the only thing me and Sherwin realized is everything is in Romanian, so we don't understand the word. But he knows that something is pork over here, but we eat everything.
The only thing I saw in English, we have to find out what.
And this is like traditional Romanian drink. Does it have alcohol in it as well? Too much? No. This one? No? We won't be walking sideways. Okay. Okay. We'll do 2 apricots, yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, 1 second. Just give me 1 second. I'll just show you
Our friend,
she's Romanian, so she recommended some things.
you can try.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you see in the menu? If you can understand. So first one
Sarmale
is
is
Sarmale.
first one.
Yeah.
Palinka you have.
Yeah.
Soup, yes.
Please check. Hello.
Are you YouTubers?
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah. Not famous YouTubers. They're just new. Yeah.
You're traveling around the world.
Not around the world. Just yeah.
Just around
Romania
Europe.
is like our 3rd country we're visiting. Where are you from?
Here, I live here.
You live here?
Yeah.
How do you say hello? Is it Buna? Buna. What is Buna Ziva then?
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. And how do you say how are you?
No, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Ah, okay.
Morning, Minat.
Okay. So Buna is a hello. Okay. And how do you say how are you then?
Chefach.
Chefach. And then Chefach. Okay. So Chefach. And then if you're good, what do you say? Bine. Okay. Nice, nice. What's your name?
Radu.
What's that?
Radu.
Radu. Okay. And you like Fortnite?
No.
You know? Hey, you have a Fortnite.
We have a Fortnite
Yeah.
I don't really play it. Subscribe.
Thank you. You do like that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I eat it.
Yeah.
I don't like the cabbage.
Why?
No.
Why?
I don't know. I just don't like it.
Just don't like it. You just don't like
I like
vegetables.
cabbage. I like vegetables,
Me
but
too. I like cabbage, but
Yeah.
not that type of cabbage.
no.
Oh. No way.
My wife doesn't like cabbage that much as well. So can you say eat your cabbages?
Eat your cabbage.
English.
Yeah, you speak good English. Yeah. Does everyone in Romania speak good English?
No, not a lot. Yeah.
The younger people. do.
Yeah, mostly younger people.
Do they teach you in school?
It
Your school?
depends in kids because
Yeah.
some people like to learn German or
How
Spanish.
old are you? 12. You're really smart for
smart.
a 12-year-old. Yeah.
Everybody says that.
Yeah. Oh
Like,
man.
my friend is.
Yeah.
He is 11.
Yeah. But he's taller than you. He's that tall. Oh.
Oh.
Don't worry, man. You have a lot of time.
I mean,
You have a lot of time to grow.
Yeah, you have a lot of time to grow. Do you play
Just do
sports?
some pull-ups.
Yeah.
I do climbing.
You do climbing?
Nice.
I do something called calisthenics. Do you know calisthenics?
Yeah.
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 So it's like body weight stuff. So I do climbing sometimes. Okay, that's good. So nice. So you got good upper body strength then.
Mostly arms, not legs.
Oh, food is here. Oh yeah, I'll move this. Sorry.
And the piece of the bread.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice.
What's your favorite food? Romanian.
Pizza. Pizza. But that's Italian though.
But that's not Romanian. That's Italian.
You know, there are some, my dad makes homemade pizza.
Homemade pizza. Romanian.
Homemade, Romanian style.
That is spicy, by the way.
This?
Yeah. What, the green chili?
The chili?
Yeah,
We're not gonna eat the chili.
Okay, we'll be
We're gonna eat
careful.
the chili.
It's spicy.
Okay, we'll be careful then. What about the soup though? Do you like the soup?
My dad tried this.
Yeah, yeah.
It's,
Can you show what's? Oh, okay. Soup in the bread.
yeah, it's weird how it
Yeah.
puts soup in
Yeah,
bread.
and we've never seen that before.
Yeah,
This is the first time.
We had
But-
friends here.
Yeah.
My parents had some friends here.
yeah,
They were archers and I don't know where, but they
Yeah.
were archers.
yeah.
Like
Oh, archers like okay, yeah,
bowmen.
Yeah.
Like a lot. And then it's also a restaurant.
yeah.
In the middle, cat.
Yeah.
Cat.
Oh, cat. There you
the
go.
cat you were looking
What do you say
for.
for cat in Romanian?
Bisica.
Bisita.
Bisica.
Bisica. Bisica. That's a nice bisica.
And there were like
Yeah.
shooting range is in the middle.
Yeah?
Over here.
Yeah, here.
Oh,
Dancing, shooting, barrels, like.
okay.
Oh.
When do they normally have it? On the weekends?
Yeah.
In the evenings
I don't
or-
remember. I was little when.
Okay.
Two cats.
There we go. A lot of cats over here.
Do you live around
You
here?
want to try the same thing as well?
Yeah, can I have the picture?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
Instagram, you know.
You don't even have to try it.
What is it?
Apparently, this is the traditional dish of Romania.
No,
Hmm?
that's all.
Oh, this. Oh, this one.
It's an apricot.
This is apricot something. Yeah. Yeah.
Apricot.
It's apricot flavor,
They
but
say
it's
it's
a traditional
traditional. With some
Romanian
alcohol in it.
dish. Yeah, I mean drink.
50%.
Should be just
Maybe.
a less percent.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Good for us.
We'll know if we are not walking straight. If we are not
We
walking
haven't had
straight.
it yet.
Yeah. So let's
Do you want to try? Do you want to try
let's
one?
try this.
Take it down.
You want to sit down?
Have a
Yeah, have a sit. Yeah, come.
Join us.
Yeah. Yeah. We can't give you alcohol.
Can't give you alcohol in this.
Maybe. Do you want some like a juice or something like that? Yeah? You sure? Okay, fine. You shouldn't be accepting drinks from strangers as well. So remember, stranger danger. But we're not danger. You know us now. I'm Ash. He's Sherwin. Yeah. What do you say your name was again?
Radu.
Radu. That's it. I'll remember that. Radu.
Okay,
Yeah.
strong.
Because there's a watch company, Rado. So Radu. It's strong?
Tequila is very.
Ah.
Yeah, I can smell it.
That's very strong. It's like
Ah.
tequila.
I think I need to ask him if he can mix it in anything. Do they normally mix this with anything or they just little by little?
Ah.
Just sipping it.
But it's good after the food.
After the food. Okay. What do we have during the food though? During the food, would you recommend anything? Any sort of drink?
Maybe one glass of Romanian wine.
Romanian wine?
This is the politics.
Too strong.
Apparently, this is a traditional drink, and I don't recommending anybody drink. I mean, you can drink it. Not you. You're kids. You're not supposed to.
Beer.
Yeah. Don't say that. Who knows? Your dad might watch it.
Nah. He doesn't really watch me.
Who knows? Maybe somebody will send it to him.
You never know. Maybe
Yeah,
someone will say,
and you shouldn't be.
"Oh, that's your son."
And you shouldn't
I
be.
mean, not drink,
Drink.
but taste.
Taste. Okay, that's fine. My. No, don't. Okay, you can
Oh yeah,
smell it.
that is strong.
That is strong. Don't try one and see how it is. So what do they normally do? This is meat. This is potato.
No, mamaliga.
What is that? It's like a porridge. Something oats.
Some sort of porridge. I don't really know. I don't really know how to say it in English.
Yeah. I think I know what it is just by feeling it. It's semolina, I think. I think that's what it is. Okay.
Good.
It's nice, yeah. Yeah. It is nice, yeah. Just bite it.
Yeah, you just from the tip.
Okay.
Because at the top there's lots of seeds and it's spicy.
The flesh isn't spicy.
Yeah.
How's the soup? Is it nice? Let's switch. Let me try the soup. Yeah?
No, the onion.
The onion, you gotta
The
dip.
onion,
You gotta
oh.
dip. Let me try the onion. Let me do that.
For me it's spicy, but
Watch out.
from India and you eat spicy.
Oh yeah.
Like
Oh,
that,
like
yeah?
that. Oh.
Go all in.
This is the first time I've seen
I like
a
it.
soup in a bread.
I like it. It's nice. Good recommendation.
Or you could do onion, a piece of bread, and then
and the
go
soup.
with the soup. It's spicy.
And yeah, it's hitting me now. The onion, the spiciness of the onion. So guys, Radu just gave us a life hack how to get. So what do? We order two
You
scoops.
order two scoops
Two
and
scoops
you
of ice
get
cream
4.
and we get 4, but the way you get 4 is you tell them, can I have 4 flavors, and they'll put 4 scoops instead. So you trick them, Jedi mind tricks.
And pay for 2.
Yes,
And pay for
like
2.
it's a scam for them more than you.
Infinite ice cream glitch.
Yes. Matrix.
Matrix.
Yes.
Yeah, this.
Okay, we'll try this meat. I think we'll do meat and then we'll be good.
Almost, yeah.
Go try Sweetology.
What's
Good.
that? Sweetology. Okay, Radu recommends.
dessert, yeah?
So Radu, we'll see you.
Lovely meeting you.
We'll see you.
You're a smart kid.
A smart kid, yeah.
We're
I
gonna
need to
go
take care, yeah.
If we're gonna catch you, we're gonna.
We'll see you. If not, we'll see you next time.
Take care.
Salute. There you go.
Bye.
See you. So we just ordered the meat and the waiter said that is apparently like the staple middle class Romanian food where people finish work, they just have meat and they have like 3, 4, 5, 6 beers. So we are kind of getting into traditional Romanian territory over here. So the meat Radu and his cousin recommended have arrived. So this is it. It's fries and I don't know what this is. Maybe this is a sort of dipping dip that they have. So we'll have that. And we're just waiting on our beers. So he's talking to his mom. Man, Radu's such a nice kid. His parents did a good job. Right? He's gone. He's gone. And such a nice kid.
He was so smart.
So smart. He was so smart.
Bro, when
He
we
knew
were
so much
11,
thing.
we were like,
We were not even talking. We were like,
I'm shy.
I'm shy. He literally approached us. What a nice kid. Recommended things to us, what to do, what to try. Such a nice kid. Man, I hope my kids are like that someday.
Smart.
Smart. Yeah. Apparently, we have a little bit of BO, so we need to buy some deodorant. Managed to find some Old Spice. I have the deodorant one in this. I wanted the bar because the flights normally they throw away if it's more than 100 ml. This is 50. On a mission to go to Sweetology now, where Radu recommended.
How do you expect me to meet your father at a different company at his house?
Oh. Oh, ini must man. Jaya He, Jaya He, Nagana Dinayak, Jaya He. Huh? Chede. Wah, kau pernah dia? Kau kita. Almost got run over.
India.
I think this is called Revolution Square in Boda.
Don't be solid as a video.
NPC Adventure Time. What a beautiful place. Everyone's just lying down on a Sunday. We're not trying to be creepy and film everyone lying down, so I'll be in the shot as well. There we go. Ami pizza, yeah? Okay, don't usually see that kind of things on the streets, but let's see if we can find something like that, an experience like that. It's like Mario Kart on the streets. That's the one. We found it. We found the place Radu recommended. Sweetology. Hi, so yeah, I'm just seeing a little boy we met at the restaurant. He told us come here and try it.
Okay.
With one scoop, can we try 2 flavors?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, we can. Okay, can I try the mango and you have strawberry?
Strawberries. Cappuccino, yeah. It's
Okay.
Romanian.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, I'll try that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Different flavor. Can I have mango and
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You also want to take card?
Ah, thank you. Oh man. Oh shit. This is really good. Oh, really nice. Thank you, Radu. Taste it. The best ice cream I've had.
Whoa. Alfonso mango.
Literally. Oh. We just sat here now, ordered a coffee, and we're just going to sit here, enjoy the view, enjoy the sun, you know. Cafe latte. Shoman's having a cappuccino. We saw so many supercars go by just a few minutes ago. Oh man, I feel there's definitely some laws over here that's attracting all the elite rich crowd. I don't know if it's a tax haven. Even the statues are together, but we're missing our boy Franzio. Probably in Photoshop us three over there. Come to Romania with your friend, they said. It'll be a good time, they said. He's trying so hard to control. I can see that fury in him just about to be unleashed.
I'm just a book dota. I think photo card.
Okay.
Este mula chede cha. I'm book.
All of a sudden we entered a library. I don't know what's happening. Sherwin suggested this.
Yeah.
I think he's already drunk.
Rose petal.
Me and Sherwin walked the whole town, I think 3 times to find this place. And we're finally, atmosphere here.
24 hours later.
Literally. Oh man, my feet are killing me. I bet we would have walked at least easily. No, how many kilometers today? 15? 15 plus kilometers today. Man, let's eat some good food, drink, and make merry. Spare ribs. Oi. Zuba hai, señorita. Nazar na quiero. Aado paso muh mere. Mujhko baahon mein tum quiero. Samjhi na, señorita. चाहत की 2 पल भी दिल गाए दुनिया में ग्रीन लाइट. Just realized my hotel or the inn I'm staying in has a pull-up bar over there, but people are having breakfast, so I can't do pull-ups over there. So I guess we'll just do some push-ups over here. How was this holiday? eBay. You know it when we go on holiday, bro. 100% Fun guaranteed. What a beautiful day. Sadly, we'll be leaving today. Our flight's at 9, so 9ish. So we'll be checking out now and just probably walking around town, chill by some cafe and just try to kill time. The hostesses they have outside these restaurants are really smart. They know how to play with the tourists. One of them literally said to Sherwin, "Oh, you're leaving this weekend? You broke my heart."
Yeah, baby girl, I'm a heartbreaker.
Way too many cars.
Let me know if we should take Sherwin on another holiday. Comment below. Oh, nice. Oh, damn. Some sort of music video shoot going on. This is how we do it. This is how we do. Imagine how cool it would be if they just invited us. Man, we were so hungry. Today we decided let's have a little bit of Italian food. We are at this restaurant here. I'm really bad when it comes to pronunciations. Tosteria Italiana. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. So we're having some cappuccinos just to get some energy back. Ordered a pizza and we ordered a salad with salmon in it and also a pasta. And
Salad I ever seen in my life.
look at the food.
It's the best salmon salad I've seen in my life.
And it's the best tasty salad.
Yeah. I wish I could pass this to you guys to taste. It's that good. I never knew fish could go in a salad. It complements it so perfectly. Tarna waitare, obviously. How's it? Too good, right? Too good, superb. So we just finished our food. We come outside for a break. We asked the guy, should we? He suggested dessert, and I asked him, should we pay first and then get out and then you can get us the dessert? He's like, no, don't worry, it's fine. I trust you, my friend. You guys are cool. So just go outside, just sit outside. I'll get you your dessert. Eat, enjoy, stay as long as you want, and pay at the end. So, man, I think everywhere we go, we find such amazing human beings, and the reason is I feel you put that energy out there. You put that energy out there, you get the same energy back. What do you say, Sherwin?
100%.
Sherwin will agree with anything I say, and then at night he becomes the devil. We just come to take a small siesta in the garden. You can see everyone's over here just chilling. So we thought we'll take a small nap before we head to the airport. Oh man, the weather's too beautiful. Almost makes me sad to say goodbye to this place. Even though it was such a short weekend.